Welcome back to your YoERP web app training series. In video 1 we covered login and navigation. In video 2 we looked at the setup checklist and setup order. In this video we focus on the 3 ideas that cause a lot of confusion: company, branch and warehouse. Getting this right helps you understand stock, sales, reports, and why different users see different menus. At the top of the screen, your YoERP shows the current company. A company is the main business container. Customers, products, invoices, purchases, stock and reports all belong to a company. Some users belong to one company, others can switch between several. Always check which company is selected before you work. If you work for more than one company, switch here before entering any transactions. Next to the company, we've got the branch selector. A branch is a business location or operating unit. For example, Harare, Bulawayo, YoERP or Mutare branch. Branches matter for sales, stock and staff assignment. And in Zimbabwe, fiscal devices on selling branches. When you filter by branch on the dashboard, the figures change to show the activity of that location only. Remember, company is the whole business, branch is where work happens at a location. Many transactions ask you to choose a branch because your YoERP needs to know where the sale, purchase or stock movement belongs. Let's go to administration and then select branches. Branches are maintained from the branch list. So this is where branches are maintained. Here is the branch list. Here we can see all branches for the current company. We've got the Harare, Bulawayo, Mutare and YoERP. Each branch has details such as ID, name, open date and active status. These details can appear on documents and reports. A warehouse is not the same as a branch. A warehouse is where stock is held inside a branch. One branch can have several warehouses. For example, the main warehouse, shop floor, back store or returns. So let's open the Harare branch and see how many warehouses can we find there. So we go to warehouses. So in this branch we only have one warehouse, which is the main warehouse for Harare. So when you sell a product that tracks stock, your YoERP reduces quantity from the warehouse you choose, not from the branch name alone. For example, branch Harare head office might have warehouses, shop floor and back store. A sale from the shop floor warehouse only affects stock in that warehouse. If the product is out of stock there, POS may grey out the product even if back store still has quantity. Let's again look at the users. So you go to people, then users. Users are assigned to companies and branches. Roles and permissions control what each user can open in the sidebar. A cashier might only use POS. An accountant might use invoices and reports. An administrator sees setup screens like branches and users. That is why two people who log into the same company and can see different menus. It is not a bug, it is access control. So here we've got a list, a number of users. We've got a list of users there. They've got different roles. Let's again look at branches. Products. So I've got a list of products here. Products behave differently. An inventory product tracks quantity in warehouses. A service does not track stock. It is used for labor fees and consultation. So let's open one product here. So as you can see, it tracks quantity in the warehouse. We have got 0 of this product in the warehouse. So setting the correct product type avoids confusion in stock reports and POS. For more detail, the knowledge base has core system concept for company, branch and warehouse, and user management and permissions for roles and access. So just a reminder, you find the knowledge base here on support. Click on knowledge base. So here are the core system concepts. Now you can see branch versus warehouse, inventory versus non-inventory, financial flow. To summarize, the company is selected at the top. The branch is your location context. Warehouses hold stock inside the branch. Users and roles control what you can see and do. In the next videos, we'll work through the setup checklist step by step, starting with practical tasks like currency, categories, products, clients, and invoices. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.